Blessed. Yeah, man. Yeah, the mix up. Yeah, man. Greetings to all. All right, my people. Love me, say. Yeah. So we just talk about how life runnings be on a regular basis, where a lot of us lost in the system, where we don't look at life on a higher point of view, a higher level, a higher vibration, a higher dimensional. You understand? We just stuck into this 3D living where if you play a video game, you're stuck inside the video game. You're stuck in the news, you're stuck in these things. You have to do this today, you have to do that tomorrow, and that's why you do all your life and you wonder where is your happiness. And when someone try to enlighten you, you can't wait because you don't take the time out to really look deep into what they're trying to say to you. You're lost. Because of mostly of these things caused because of material stuff. Where you just want this, want that. You can have all of that. You just have to know how the right way to go about it. You understand what I say? You have to wake up. You know what I mean? And give thanks and praises. You understand? And know it brings joy. And show love. You understand what I'm saying? And you just have to keep yourself on that narrow path. And that narrow path bring nothing but joy, love, abundance, greatness, wisdom, knowledge, understanding. You get what I'm saying? So you have to rise up to the occasion. Let yourself grow. That you see, you know what I mean? You're elevating. And, you just have to do it step by step. And we all have to just give the thanks and the glory. That's how it works. You have to give thanks to everything that the life that live within you. Blessed again, this is Yadi Mix Up. Greetings.